Alright, dude, this is gonna be intense. We got Chance Hope taking on Bell yet again. But this time, Bell upgraded his Dynamite Belial and then got the perfect gear Dynamite Belial. So, Switchblade Crysxs, Call High Drift taking on the perfect gear the perfect Dynamite Belial with the S gear. So, it's gonna be intense. So, Chance taking on Bell. It's gonna be intense. So, it's gonna be intense. Alright, here we go. Boom. Now, it has the perfect gear. So, it's gonna be intense. And now having the perfect Dynamite Belial. Let's see how this goes, man. This might be hard because it's gonna have the S gear with it. Uh-oh. Yo. And no, but Switchblade Crysxs. Okay. Switchblade still taking it. Alright, that's one. Boom. And boom. Alright, yo, big hit. Yo, that S gear. Yo, that S gear. Oh, big hit. Yo, that's a big hit. That S gear. That S gear, bro. Dude, that S gear. And that S gear, bro. That S gear, bro. I'm telling you. It's putting in work. Alright, 1-1. Alright. Boom. Perfect Dynamite Bomber. Yeah, that S gear, bro. That S gear is working, bro. I'm telling you. Yeah, it's working, man. That S gear. That S gear, man. And that's 2-1. That's 2-1, man. That S gear. Alright. Boom. And boom. Yeah, man. I'm telling you, it's that S gear, bro. Alright, it's 2-1. Dynamite's in the lead. Oh, big hit. With that S gear. That S gear, bro. And yo! It just got a little bit of rotation from that. Okay. 2-2. 2-2. This is really intense. 2-2. Boom. And boom. Alright, it's 2-2. Alright, big hit. Yo, they both won it. Yo, big hit, but the perfect gear. The perfect gear is way off balance, and the perfect gear Belial. Alright, 3-2. Boom. And boom. Alright, big hit. Yo, the wind-up. Yo, the wind-ups are crazy. Oh, big hit. But will it be enough? Yo, Switchblade. Will it be enough, though? But no, that S gear, bro. I'm telling you, dude. That S gear is putting in work, bro. I swear. Alright, so that's 4-2. So can Switchblade Crysxs, can they get the 4-2 to come back and win it? If not, then we're going to call it. Alright, Switchblade and Impaler. Dynamite Bomber. And god damn it, that was not a good launch, Sonny. Alright, go. Switchblade. God damn it. Can't even get the ripcord in the launch. God damn it. Alright. Well, here we go. Go. Switchblade Impaler. Dynamite Bomber. Oh, here we go. Big hit. Yo, that S gear, bro. Do that S gear. Bro, that S gear, bro. And Switchblade Crysxs, okay. That's 4-3. It's not out of the park just yet. 4-3. Right, boom. And damn it. 4-3. Boom. And boom. Oh, big hit. Yo, those hits. Yo, the S gear. There's no way. Dude, this is gonna beat it. And dude, the S gear. The S gear coming out on top with this, man. It just shows, man. Like, the freaking gimmick works on this thing, man. I'm telling you, man. Like, the S gear just works on it, man. Well, alright. Well, talk about intense, but yeah, man. So, this is the second loss with Switchblade Crysxs, so yeah, man. Well, it's on the board now. But yeah, man. Like, it shows, like, the S gear just works perfectly, man. It shows, like, the gimmick is working really, really well on the S gear, man. Like, no doubt about it. But anyways, Bell taking the win over Chain.